Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from ibct.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can create a awesome online magazine website or a news website or a blogging website by using one of the most popular news magazine theme named as Neon Wordpress News Magazine Theme. That is the theme actually. And if you come to the Invato market and if you click in the best selling WordPress theme, here you can see this Neon theme is coming in number 3rd position. By seeing this, you can easily understand that how much popular this theme is at present time. This theme has so many important features actually what make this theme that much popular. Now let me discuss all the important features of this Neon theme one by one. Actually with this Neon theme you will get 22 plus pre-built demo layout, and these demo layouts are really looking professional, and you can import this demo layout in your website by just a single click. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to import the demo. But in this tutorial actually I am going to create this website from scratch, so you can easily get a detailed knowledge about the website. The second most important feature of this website is actually this website use Elementor as default page builder, and as you know Elementor is a live drag and drop page builder, so the person who does not have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can create awesome website by using this Elementor page builder. So it will make your website making experience quite smooth. Not only that, but also you will get almost 48 custom elements with this Elementor with this Neon theme that will make your website making experience far smoother and better. With this theme actually you will get different kind of pre-built layouts which will definitely save your time when you're going to create the website. And whatever the website you will make by using this Neon theme, that will be totally responsive. As you can see, that is the desktop preview. Now if I switch to the tablet preview, as you can see it's coming perfectly. Even if I change the mobile preview also, here also you can see it's coming just perfectly. So whatever the website you will make by using this Neon theme, that will be fully responsive and mobile friendly. This themes also support Gutenberg block editor. If you don't want to use Elementor, then always you can use the Gutenberg block editor. And whatever the website you will make by using this Neon theme, you can easily switch in between dark mode and light mode. Suppose that is the website I made by using this Neon theme. Here you can see there is a toggle switcher. You can easily toggle in between dark mode and light mode. As you can see, it's really looking awesome, and if you're reading some blog in night time especially, you obviously will love this dark mode. These themes provide 6 different type of blog archive page layout, so you can definitely choose according to your need. Even for the single post page layout also, it has total different 3 kind of layout, and according to your requirement you can choose them. So as you can see at present time, my single blog post is looking like that. Suppose I want to change the layout. Suppose I am taking this 3rd layout. So now you can see the layout totally gets changed now, and it's coming like that. I think the first one is good, so I am switching back to the first one. So you can choose according to your need. Another important feature of this Neon theme is so next and previous post. Suppose I am enabling that. So when you scroll down, here you can see next post and previous post are coming. It really helps you to increase the traffic of your website. This themes also comes with RTL support, so you can easily make your website in Arabic language also. This themes comes with dedicated AMP support, and as it comes with AMP support, then whatever the website you will make by using this theme, it will definitely accelerate the performance in the mobile devices, and which will definitely support to increase your ranking in SEO. This themes also comes with image blend mode. Suppose that is the image. So from here actually, here you can see the CSS filter. From here actually I can easily change the image properties. Suppose I want a blurry image, so just increase it. So now you can see the image get blurred. Okay, like that. So in similar manner you can easily increase or decrease the brightness, contrast, saturation, hue level, etc. This themes also comes with WooCommerce support, so you can easily sell some product online without any worry. Just like some e-commerce website, you can easily sell the product in online. So you can see there is a shop page. So don't worry, I will teach you how to create the product and how to sell them. Suppose I want to open this product, click on the product. So this kind of page will open. So from there you can easily add the product in cart, and after that you can easily sell them. This themes also comes with reading progress bar. Suppose when you scrolling the blog, you can see in the top there is a progress bar. So by watching this progress bar actually you can easily understand the how much percentage of the blog you already read and how much remaining. I really like this feature. Also this themes comes with 5 different kind of top bar layout. Not only that, but also it comes with almost 9 different kind of header layout. and those header layout really looks awesome, and you can easily customize them according to your requirement. Not only that, but also this themes comes with almost 6 different kind of footer layout. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to customize the footer layouts. Just my humble request, please watch this tutorial from starting to end so you can understand all the features of this Neeon theme. And after that, without any help, you can build your own magazine website or a blogging website or a newspaper website. This theme totally SEO optimized, and this theme also support Google fonts, so you will get almost the choice of 300 different kind of font for your website. Now without wasting time, let me introduce with the demo website what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So at the top of the website, here you can see the top bar. At the left hand side, here you can see my mail ID, and at the right hand side, here you can see the current date. After that, here you can see the beautiful logo, and that is my main menu bar. Next, here you can see a search icon. Once I click on that, a overlay type of search bar will open. Let me close it, and after that, here you can see the cart icon. It's showing that your cart is empty because till not I doesn't add any product. And after that, that is the sidebar toggler. If I click on that, this kind of sidebar will open here like that. After that, here you can see some blog. Again, even here also you can see some blog. You can easily categorize them. Like I want to display only the sports category blog here, so you can do that easily. After that, here you can see some advertisement. After that, here you can see some top blogs. It is a blogging website, so everything is blog only. Okay, so here you can see editor choice category blog, and in the editor choice actually here you can see some category filter also. Suppose I am clicking on the animal, so all the blog posts related to the animal will be displayed here like that. And at the side here you can see some social media icons. So it is a dummy website, so it's showing like 0 follower, but in your original website actually original follower number will be get displayed here. Even in the sidebar also, here you can see some popular news, and here also you can see some feature posted. Always you can categorize them, I am telling you again and again. Next, here you can see some blog slider. It's really looking awesome, as you can see. Next, here again you can see some advertisement. After that, some latest blog posts are displaying here. At the right hand side, here you can see a newsletter pop-up form with some important categories, and in each category how many blogs is there you can see that also. After that, again here you can see some advertisement, and again you can see some popular news. It's really looking awesome. After that, here you can see another newsletter sign up form, and after that here you can see a beautiful footer, and this footer is totally sticky footer. Okay, as you can see here in the footer, here you can see some about us text with logo and social media icons, top popular categories, recent post, and in the downside here you can see the copyright tagline, and that is the back to top icon. Okay, so now let me come back to the about us page. So in the about us page, here you can see some images. When I hover on the image, here you can see some beautiful animation. After that, here you can see some text. Even here also you can see some text, progress bar, and that is a video pop-up. I mean, if I click on that, a video player will open like that. Okay, you can add any video here. After that, that is our team session. It's really looking nice, and that's it. Now let me come back to the shop page. So in the shop page, actually if you want to sell any product, that will be get display in the shop page. This all actually coming from the WooCommerce plugin. Okay, it's really looking nice. Let me open a product. For opening the product, actually I have to click on the product name. So that is the single product page. It's really neat and clean. So in the top of the page, here you can see the product name. After that, here you can see the product image, product gallery image, again product name, product rate, product short description, quantity slider, SKU, category tags, etc. After that, that is the product description tab, that is the product review tab. And the downside, here you can see some related products. Okay, so now after that, here you can see some main product categories. These are all the product categories. Suppose I am clicking on the biology, so all the blog posts related to the biology will display here, as you can see. Now let me open a blog. Suppose I am clicking on that, so that is the single blog post. Actually it's really looking awesome and nice. So in the top here you can see the blog category. After that, here you can see the blog title, blog author name, publishing date, how many comments you will get, how many views you will get, and by using the social media icon, actually you can easily share this blog in your favorite social media. And here you also you can see the search box. It's really looking awesome. In the downside, here you can see a comment section. So now let me directly come back to the contact page. So in the contact page, actually in the top here you can see the office addresses. After that is a contact form, and downside here you can see a beautiful Google map. It's really neat and clean, and this design is actually totally responsive. Now without wasting time, let me start to build the website. And for creating the website, actually here I'm not going to use any real domain or hosting account. I'm going to use XAMPP local server. Now for downloading and installing the XAMPP, you have to search XAMPP first of all, and after that actually you have to open this link www.apachefriends.org, and once you click on the link, you have to click in the download option. And from there, if you're a Windows user, then you have to download this one. If you're a Linux user, then you have to download this one. Or if you're a Mac user, then you have to download this one. So here actually I'm a Windows user, so let me click in the download option for this. So I already actually downloaded and installed the XAMPP. So let me cancel this. No need to download it again. So once you successfully download and install the XAMPP, after that you have to search for the XAMPP control panel, I mean this one. And once you open it, it will look like that. So from there actually you have to click in the start option for the Apache, and after that you have to click in the start option for the MySQL. In the next step, what you have to do, you have to open another new tab, and after that you have to type localhost. Next you have to click in the phpMyAdmin, and here actually you have to create your database. For creating the new database, you have to click in the new option, and after that here actually you have to enter the database name. Suppose here I am giving the database name as Neeon, okay, and that is case sensitive. So once you write the database name, you have to click in the create option. So your database is already created. So next you have to open another tab, and you have to type wordpress.org, I mean this one, okay, and from there you have to click in the get WordPress option for downloading the WordPress. Next you have to click in the download option, whatever the latest version is available. So let me click in the save as, and let me save this. So next actually you have to open that zip file. So actually that is the Windows file what I required. Next what you have to do, you have to open your My Computer. So I installed the XAMPP in the F drive. So let me open the F drive, and from there actually you have to open the XAMPP folder. If you install the XAMPP in C drive, then you have to open the C drive, and after that you have to open the XAMPP folder, and after the process is quite similar. Next in the XAMPP actually you have to open htdocs, okay. Now just drag and drop this WordPress folder inside the htdocs. Please wait for that everything get copied. So once everything get copied, just close this one, and I have to rename this folder actually. So I am giving the folder name as Neeon only. So next you have to open that folder, and after that you have to open WP content. So next just search for the Neeon theme, click in the first link. So I recommended buy the theme from ThemeFrost website. It's just $29, okay. But if you don't want to buy the theme, then I will provide this theme file actually in free of cost for you, just for the practice purpose. So for that what you have to do, you have to just pause the video and go to the video description. There you will get a link. Just click on that link and download everything in a single folder. So once you download everything in a single folder, it will look like that. So there will be total 3 folders. One is for the images, another is the theme file, and another is the plugins file, okay. So next again you have to open that WP content, and you have to open the themes files. Next what you have to do, by default some theme will be there. If you want you can keep them, else if you want you can delete them also, it's up to you. Now just copy the theme file from here, right click and click in the copy, and right click and click in the paste, okay. In similar manner again you have to come back to the WP content, open the plugins, delete everything from here. Next what you have to do, you have to open the plugins folder here. After that select everything, copy everything, and after that just right click and click in the paste here. It will take some time to copy all the plugin, so please wait for it. So now let me close this one. So after that what you have to do, you have to open another new tab, and next you have to type localhost / that folder name means Neeon, okay. After that click the enter key. This window will open. From here actually you have to choose your preferred language. I'm choosing English, and after that you have to click in the continue option, click in the let's go. Here actually you have to enter the database name. So the database name is also Neeon. After that username, that will be root. Password not required, remove it. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Next let me click in the submit option, click in the run the installation. After that here I have to enter the site title. After that I have to enter the username. Username I am giving as admin. Password also I am writing as admin, because it's a dummy website, so username and password I am keeping as admin and admin. but I highly recommended use a strong username and password. After that you have to click the confirm password, and here actually you have to type your admin email ID. Next you have to click in the install WordPress option. After that you have to click in the login option. Next again you have to enter the user ID and password, and after that you have to click in the login option. So that is the WordPress dashboard. Now you have to activate the theme. So for that, hover on the appearance and click in the theme. I already copied the theme file, so here you can see this theme already come here. Click in the activate option. Next you have to click in these plugins. I already copy all the plugins, so everything come here. So next what you have to do, just select everything, and from this drop down click in the activate, and after that you have to click in the apply. Sometime you can see something like that, don't worry. So again just hover on the plugin and click in the install plugin. So from here you can see all the plugin already activated. Next you have to update all the plugins. Select again all, and after that you have to click in the update option, and after that you have to click in the apply. So one by one all the plugin will be get updated. So once all the plugin updated, next you have to upload all the images. So for that click in the media. Next open the folder, which link I already give in the video description. From there you have to open the images folder. By pressing Ctrl and A key, you have to select all the images. Next it's very easy, just drag and drop them here like that. It will take some minute to upload all the images one by one, so please wait for that. So now as you can see all the images already uploaded. So that is actually news website or a blog website or a magazine website. So first of all I have to create some blog post or news. Okay, before creating news or blog, first of all let me create some blog category. For creating the category, what you have to do, here you can see the post, hover on that, and after that you have to click in the categories. So by default one category is there, that is uncategorized. If you want to keep, you can always keep it. If you want to edit, always you can edit that also. Now for creating the category, what you have to do, you have to enter the category name here. After that you have to choose the category color. Suppose I am taking this color. This category color is nothing but this colors actually. Here you can see the decoration. The decoration color background is coming in different color. This furniture color background is different color. It is coming from this color actually. Hope you understand the concept. So next actually you have to upload the category image. So let me again click in this upload an image option. Click in the media library. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the upload. After that you have to click in the add new category. So in this way you can create a category. In similar manner let me add another category also. Suppose that is animal, and from the color suppose I am taking this red color, and I have to upload the image also. First of all I have to remove it, and after that I have to click in the upload an image, and here let me search for the animal. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the upload image, and after that I have to click in the add new category. So in this way you have to add the category. Now let me teach you how to add the subcategory. Okay, so let me enter the subcategory name here, and the parent category that will be animal, and from here I have to choose the color also. Suppose I am taking this yellow color, and let me remove the image first of all. Click in the upload image. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the upload image, and after that you have to click in the add new category. Let me add some more subcategory for the animal. So in similar manner the parent category should be animal, and after that color, suppose I am taking this green color, and after that I have to upload the image. Click in this upload an image. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the upload image. After that I have to click in the add new category. So hope you understand how to add the parent category and subcategory. So for the subcategory you have to enter the subcategory name here, and you have to choose the parent category here. After that you have to choose the color, and next you have to add the image, and after that you have to click in the upload image, and next you have to click in the add new category. And when you adding the main category, so for that here I have to enter the category name, and in the parent category that will be none. Remaining the process is quite similar. You have to again choose the category color, you have to remove it and click in the upload image. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the upload image. Okay, and after that you have to click in the add new category. In similar manner let me add all the main category and subcategory. After that I will come back. So as you can see here I already create so many categories and subcategories. So now actually I have to create some blog post. For creating the blog post actually I have to click in this add new option downside of the post option. Here you can see the add new option. Let me click on that. Next here actually I have to write the post title. After that here actually I have to write the post description. Okay, hope you understand. Now I have to click in the post option, and here you can see the category. Let me click on that. So from here you have to choose the proper category. If you want, you can select single category, else if you want, you can select multiple categories also. It's up to you. Now scroll down. So here you can see the feature image. Click on that. Click in the set feature image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image or this image, whatever, and after that you have to click in the set feature image. Okay, once done, you have to click in the publish option. So in this way actually you have to create blog post. For creating another new blog post, again you have to click in this W option, and after that again you have to click in the add new option here, else you can click in this add new option also. It's up to you. Now in similar manner again you have to write the title, and after writing the title you have to write the post content. Okay, next again you have to click in the post option. Again you have to select the category. Suppose I'm taking this lifestyle. Scroll down, click in the set feature image, and from the media library, suppose I'm taking this image. After that you have to click in the set feature image. Make sure all post image should be similar size. Okay, after that again you have to click in the publish option. So in this same way, let me create some more blog post, and after that I will come back. So as you can see here, I already create so many blog posts in different categories. Now actually I have to set up the WooCommerce. If you don't want to sell any product, then you can skip this portion, but let me teach you how to set up the WooCommerce. So for set up the WooCommerce, first of all I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the settings option. Next here actually in the address line 1 and 2 you have to enter the store address. Let me enter some dummy address. After that city, I am from Hyderabad. Next country/state, so I am from Telangana, India. So here you can see the India-Telangana, select that. After the zip code, next in the JL option, selling location, I want to sell my product only in India, so I am choosing sell to a specific country, and here I am choosing India. Even here also in the shipping location, I want to ship my product only in India, so I am choosing ship to a specific country, and here also I am choosing India. Next what I have to do, I have to enable the tax option, and currency, that will be Indian rupees, so here I am choosing Indian rupees. Okay, after that you have to click in the save changes. Next you have to click in the product tab. Here everything I am keeping as it is, just weight measurement unit I am changing in grams, and scroll down, click in the save changes. Next I have to click in the tax option or tax tab, whatever, and here in the tax tab actually I have to add one additional tax class. In India tax is known as GST, so here I am writing GST. Scroll down, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next here you can see the GST rate, click on that. After that I have to click in the insert row option, and here actually the country code, that will be in capital IN for India. After that I have to check both of the check boxes, and here actually I have to enter the percentage, suppose 5%. Okay, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next directly come back to the shipping option. So here actually I have to set up the shipping rate. Before set up the shipping rate, I have to create the shipping zone. So for that I have to click in the add shipping zone option, and here actually I have to enter the shipping zone name. Suppose I am giving the shipping zone name as India, and after that shipping method, click in the add shipping method. Click in the add shipping method again, and here actually after that I have to click in this flat rate option, and here I have to write the shipping charges for each and every product. Suppose I want shipping charges will be 50 rupees, so for that I have to enter 50 here, and after that you have to write in asterisk sign, in bracket I have to write QTY. QTY stand for the quantity, and after that I have to close the bracket. Next you have to click in the save changes. So in this way you can set up the shipping charges. Okay, next directly come back to the payments option. So here in the payments actually by default WooCommerce provide 3 different kind of payment method. If you want to add the additional payment method, always you can do that. Suppose from here I am enabling the cash on delivery, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. It's not a WooCommerce site, it's a blogging site, so here I am not going to discuss about the detailed WooCommerce setup, just basic setup I am doing. Okay, in my other tutorial video what is dedicated for the WooCommerce website, there actually I already discussed the detailed setup of the WooCommerce. You can go and check that, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Next here you can see the account and privacy. So let me click on the account and privacy tab, and from here actually I have to check this one, this one, this one, and uncheck this one. Just remember the setting. Okay, check everything except that. Okay, after that scroll down and click in the save changes. I think that's enough for the WooCommerce setup. Now actually I have to create the products. For creating the product, actually I have to hover on the product, and after that I have to click in the add new option. Now here you have to enter the product name. After that, here actually you have to enter the product description. Now if you want to add some product category, always you can add it here. For adding the product category, you have to click in the add new option. Suppose I am writing here hat, and after that you have to click in the add new category. So in this way you can easily add the category for the products. If you want to add some product tag, always you can write here, like I am writing hat, and after that you have to click in the add option. Now let me set the product image also. Click in the set product image. Suppose I am taking this image, and after that I have to click in the set product image. Similarly, now I have to add the product gallery image also. Click on that. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image and this image, and after that I have to click in the add to gallery. Now here actually you have to enter the product regular rate, suppose 500. If any sale going on, then here actually I have to enter the discounted rate like 450. Product is taxable or not? Yes, it is taxable, and the tax class will be GST. Next, click in the inventory option. So here actually I have to enter the product SKU. Every product should have a unique SKU, I mean stock keeping unit. If you want to manage the stock, then you have to enable this one. Suppose you have total 60 products in stock, so you have to write 60 here. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Shipping, so here actually you have to enter the product weight like 560 gram, product length like 100 in centimeter, width 80, height suppose 90. Link product, if you want to add some upsell or cross sell product, always you can do it here. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. And after that, if you want to add some product short description, then expand that, and here actually you have to mention the product short description. Hope you understand the concept. Scroll up and click in the publish option. So in the similar manner, let me create some more product. For adding the new product, again you have to click in the add new option, and after that the process is quite similar. Okay, so let me create some more product, and after that I will come back. So once you create all the blog post and all the products, now actually I have to create the pages. So for creating the pages, actually I have to hover on the pages, and after that I have to click in the add new option. Title of the page I am giving as home page. After that, here you can see the template. So from here I am choosing elementor full width, and after that let me click in the publish option, and once it published I have to click in the edit with elementor option. So I have to create the home page which should be look like that. So first of all I have to design this top session. So for that actually I have to take a session which have this background pattern. Okay, so for that actually I have to click in the plus option. After that I am taking single row and single column. Next, what I have to do, I have to come back to the advanced option. Here I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 40, and padding bottom also I am taking 40. And in the layout option I have to make it trace session. Okay, next I have to click in the style option. From here I have to click in this classic, click in this plus option for adding the background image. For the background, suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media. Okay, it's coming perfectly. So next, click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the post grid. So here you can see the RT post grid. Just drag and drop it here, and here layout I am taking layout 3. Okay, and let me make it 4 because I want to display total 4 blog post here. Let me make it 12, and title count I think 7 will be enough. After that, query setting. So from here actually you can easily select which category of the blog post you want to display here. Not only that, but also if you want to select manual blog post, always you can do that also. So for that, what you have to do, here you can see this query type, you have to make it post, and whatever the post you want to add, just you have to type the name here. Suppose I want to display this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so like that you can add them. Okay, after that, here suppose I want to display a particular category blog post here. So for that, what you have to do, you have to make it category, and here actually you have to choose that particular category. Suppose I want to display animal category blog post here and this adventure category blog post here. So you can choose the category also like that. Hope you understand the concept. Now this number of the responsive column. So in desktop I want to display total 4 blog post in a single row. So I'm making it 4. Remaining it's looking quite okay. So everything I'm keeping as it is. Yeah, it's coming perfectly. Let me click in the update option. So after that actually I have to design this portion. Again come back here. So again let me click in the plus option, and here again I am taking single row and single column, make it this session. After that come back to the advanced option. Even here also I need some padding. padding top suppose I'm taking 80, and bottom also suppose I'm taking 80. Next I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the post overlay. So here you can see the RT post overlay. Just drag and drop it here like that, and from here suppose I'm taking layout 6. Here let me make it 4. Title count I think 9 will be the perfect. Small title count I think 11 will be the perfect. Now directly come back to the query setting. So here I can easily choose the category, else I can choose the post also, as I already tell you. Suppose I am choosing category here. Let me choose any 2 category. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, it's coming perfectly, as you can see here. It's almost looking identical to this. Okay, so next I have to design this advertisement session. It is nothing but a image actually. So scroll down, click in the plus option. Let me take single row and single column. Click in this and drag and drop the image session here. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this, and from the media library actually I have to find that image. So here you can see the image. Click on that and click in the insert media. Okay, it's coming perfectly. After that here you can see some symbol actually. I am talking about this one. So for that what I have to do, you can come back here. Again I have to click in the plus option. Let me take single row and single column. Even I have to make it trace session also and make it full width. After that again I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the shape. So here you can see the RT shape. Just drag and drop it here like that. Layout, make it layout 2. Click in this, and from the media library let me take this image. Click in the insert media. Now let me click in this, and from here from the media library let me take this image. Click in the insert media, and the size let me make it full. Click in the image option. Let me make it 89. This one let me make it 0. Remaining I am keeping everything as it is. Now let me click in the shape 2. Here let me make it 0, and here I think 450 will be perfect. Yeah, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the update option. Even here also just click in this image. I forgot to mention some gap actually. So come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding bottom I think 80 will be perfect. Okay, yeah, now it's looking quite perfect. So next I have to design this session. Okay, this top story. Okay, so again let me come back here. Click in the plus option. Let me take single row and single column, and here actually I need some background color. A little bit light gray color background. I think that's quite perfect. Come back to the layout, make it trace session. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Here padding top let me take around 80 pixel, and padding bottom let me take around 80 will be perfect I think. Yeah, now click in the plus option, and here let me search for the title. So here you can see the RT section title. Just drag and drop it here like that, and here the title will be stop stories. Yeah, remaining I am keeping as it is. Subtitle I doesn't require, so let me remove it first of all. Again let me click in this 9 dot, and let me search for the post grid. So here you can see the RT post grid. Just drag and drop it downside of the heading. Layout I am choosing layout 1 only, and item limit let me make it 4. This one let me make it 9. After that query setting. So from here actually I can decide which blog or which category of the blog I have to display. Suppose let me choose review and fashion. Okay, next click in this. From here let me make it 4, and remaining I am keeping as it is. Okay, even this one also let me make it 2. Yeah, that's perfect. So after that actually I have to design this session. Okay, so you can come back here. So now let me click in this plus option. Let me take single row and single column. After that I have to make it full width and make it trace session. Come back to the advanced option. Padding, unlock it. Top padding I am taking 80, and bottom padding I am taking around 80. Next I have to click in this, and here actually I need an inner session. Just drag and drop the inner session here like that, and in this inner session actually for the first column click in this, and the width I have to make it 75. Okay, click in this, and let me search for the post tab. So here you can see the RT post tab. Just drag and drop it here like that. So from here let me choose the layout 3. Item limit let me make it 5. title count, I think 10 will be enough. Small title count 7 will be enough. And snowball button, make it hide. Click in the query setting. Let me choose some random category because it's a dummy project, else you can choose which blog or which type of blog or which category of the blog you want to choose. You can choose manually also, it's up to you. Okay, it's coming like that. So from here, now let me click in this. First of all, I need the title, so let me search for the title. So just drag and drop the RT session title here, and the title will be stay connected. Okay, and after that subtitle I does not required, so I am removing it. Next I have to come back to the style option, and here you can see the typography. I think 17 pixel will be enough. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. After that, here actually I need a short code. Let me search for the short code. Just drag and drop this short code here downside, and my short code will be in bracket APS-counter. Okay, so it will appear like that. After that I need another title, so you can click in this and let me search for the title. So again let me drag and drop this RT session title here, and here the title will be popular news. Again I have to click in this and make it 17 pixel, and here actually I does not need any subtitle, so I am removing it. After that again let me search for this post grid. So here you can see the RT post grid. Just drag and drop it downside. Okay, now the layout I am choosing layout 3, and limit I think 3 is enough. Item spacing 24. Yeah, remaining everything I am keeping as it is. In the query let me choose some random category, and after that number of the column in responsive mode. Here actually for each and everything I have to make it 1. Okay, this one also I have to make it 1. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, as you can see it's coming perfectly. Again let me click in this and let me search for the title. So RT session title, just drag and drop it here like that, and here my title will be stay connected. I does not require any subtitle, removing it. And now come back to the advanced option. Margin top I am taking around 30, margin bottom I am taking around 20. Again let me click in this and let me search for the overlay. So just drag and drop this RT post overlay here. This one let me make it 4, and from the query actually we can choose the particular query or particular category or particular post, whatever. Click in this. I think 2 will be good. Even here also 2. Yeah, looking quite perfect. Let me check if anything is remaining or not. Okay, I need this advertisement image also. So what I have to do, click in this and let me search for the image here. So here you can see the image. Just drag and drop it downside. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Okay, as you can see it's looking quite good. Let me increase the margin little bit. I think 40 will be perfect. Okay, everything is looking quite perfect. Let me click in the update option. Let me check the responsive preview once. In the tablet, as you can see it's coming like that. So I don't want it should look like that. So for that what I have to do, I have to click in this and I have to make it 100. Even for this one also, click in this and I have to make it 100. It will look like that. Okay, hope you understand. So now as you can see everything is looking quite good. Yeah, again switch back to the desktop preview. So after that actually I have to design this slider. So now for designing the slider, let me take a single row and single column. After that I need it should be full width. So from here I have to make it full width, and I have to enable this registration option. Okay, hope you understand. Now I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the slider. So here you can see this RT thumb slider. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now from here I am choosing horizontal 1 position, and the alignment that will be in center align. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. Limit let me make it 5, and title count I think 10 will be perfect. After that come back to the query setting. So here let me choose some category. If you want you can always choose the post also. Animal, action. Yeah, I think that's enough. So next come back to the preview option. So So here let me make it 4 and this one let me make it 3. Okay, it's perfect now. Now come back to the slider option. So here everything I'm keeping as it is. If you want to change the autoplay speed or autoplay slide speed, always you can do that, but here I'm keeping everything as it is. Okay, now let me click in the update option. So as you can see, my slider is coming perfectly. So after that, what I have to do, I have to design this portion. But for designing this portion, as you can see here, there is a form, okay, newsletter subscribe form. So for that actually I have to create the form first of all. But before designing this, here you can see I need a subscription form. So let me create the form and after that let me start to build the website. So now let me create this form. For creating this form actually I have to come back to the dashboard. So let me open the dashboard first of all. So in the dashboard actually, so here you can see the fluent form, click on that. So by default you can see there is two form, one is subscription form and another is the contact form demo. Okay, so now if you want to create a new form, then you have to click in this add a new form here, and from here let me click in this new blank form. So after that this page will open. First of all let me click in the container, and from here I am taking this one 2-column container. Now let me click in this general field, and here you can see the email address. Just drag and drop it here like that. I don't need this submit button actually here. I need a custom submit button. So for that let me click in this advanced field, and here you can see the custom submit button. Just drag and drop it here like that. Okay, and I don't want that text should be submit. Let me click in this edit option because I need the text will be subscribe. So here I have to write subscribe, and the background color I want this blue color only because as you can see it's blue color only here. So here I am keeping everything as it is. If you want to change the color always you can do that. Even you can change the button size also and button alignment also. So it's done here. Now let me click in the save form option. So as you can see my form successfully updated. So again let me come back here now. So now as you can see here there are total 2 columns. So I have to take single row and 2 column, I mean this one. Now let me click in this and come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. The padding top I am taking around 80 pixel and padding bottom I am taking around 50 pixel. Okay. Next I have to click in this edit option, and here the column width I have to take around 70. So first of all I need a image, click in this and drag and drop the image here. Now let me click in this, and from here actually I have to take this image. Okay, so let me come back here. So that is the image actually what I needed. So let me click in this image, and after that I have to click in the insert media. And image size let me make it full. So after that I need this title, latest news. Okay, so come back here and here click in this 9 dot and let me search for the title. So here I can see the artist session title. Just drag and drop it downside of the image, and my title will be latest news. So the subtitle I doesn't require, so remove it. Okay, it's coming like that. Now again I have to click in this 9 dot and let me search for the post list. Okay, so here you can see the post list. Just drag and drop it downside here like that. Make it 5. Remaining here everything I am keeping as it is. Read more text, yes I want that. So after that come back to the query setting. So from here if you want to choose the custom post you can always do that. Let me make it post, and after that let me choose couple of posts. I am choosing some random post, but you have to choose carefully. Okay, one more, I think 5 is enough. Now let me come back here. So here actually I need another inner session. Just drag and drop the inner session here like that, and here actually I need only single column, so let me remove one. So now here you can see in a single row only single column is there. Now let me click in this edit option, come back to the style option. Here I need a background pattern, so for that let me click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this pattern, click in the insert media, and after that let me click in this and drag and drop the text editor here like that, and my text editor content will be this one. Okay, so let's come back here, and here I have to mention that. Next I have to click in the style option and I have to make it center aligned. I need some padding also, so come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 40, and padding bottom let me take around 20. So after that I need a divider. Again click in this and let me search for the divider. Just drag and drop the divider downside, and I need the divider style should be zigzag, I mean this one, and the width around 40 will be perfect. Make it center aligned, click in this, and here actually I need the blue color. So I'm choosing this blue color. Okay, remaining I'm everything keeping as it is. So after that I need another text block which should contain this one. Okay, so let me come back here again, click in this 9 dot and drag and drop the text editor downside of the divider, and here actually I have to mention that content, and this content also should be center aligned. Yeah, it's looking quite perfect. So after that actually I need that form. So again click in this and let me search for the form. So here you can see the fluent form, just drag and drop it downside, and from here I am choosing this subscription form too. Okay, so you can see my form is coming perfectly. After that I have to click this 9 dot again, and here I have to search for the category. So here you can see the RT category, just drag and drop it downside, and here the layout I am choosing list layout, and this one I am choosing style 2. Okay, and from here whatever the category you want to add, always you can add. Let me add some random category. I think that's enough. After that here I have to make it 1, even this one also I have to make it 1, even here also I have to make it 1. Okay, now you can see it's coming perfectly. After that again I have to click in this. So now actually I have to add another inner session, just drag and drop it downside here like that. Okay, here also I need only single column, so let me delete one. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Even here also I need some padding top, around 30 pixel will be perfect. Okay, even padding bottom also let me take around 20 pixel. So here actually now I need this advertisement session. So for that I need another image. Click in this, drag and drop the image here, and after that I have to click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, and here actually in the link I am keeping it empty, but if you want to attach this image with some particular advertisement, then you have to choose the custom URL, and after that you have to paste the link here. Okay, it's a dummy website, so here I am giving hash sign. So after that actually I have to design this popular news session. So for that actually I need another heading. So let me search for the title, RT session title, just drag and drop it downside like that, and my title will be popular news. Okay, I doesn't need any subtitle, so I am removing it. After that come back to the style option, click in this, font size around 17 pixel I am taking. After that I need again post grid, so let me search for the post grid, I mean this one, just drag and drop it downside here like that. Now the limit, let me make it 4. After that the title count also I am taking 4. This one I think 10 will be perfect. From the query setting, if you want custom blog, always you can choose, and if you want to choose custom category, always you can do that also. After that number of the responsive column, so here I think I have to make it 2, even here also I have to make it 2. Remaining I am keeping as it is. So as you can see it's coming like that, but here actually I doesn't want to display all the category and all the thing. So let me come back to the style. I don't want to display author, date, even I doesn't want to display the category also, so just disable them. So once you disable, as you can see it's coming like that. And we can do one thing, we can remove the content actually. Come back here. So here you can see this content display, just disable it. So now I can see it's looking quite perfect. So after that what I have to do, I have to design this portion. Okay, so there is a image and there is a form. So let me come back here again. So first of all what I have to do, I have to click in this plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column. Click in this, come back to the style option. I have to change the background color to light gray color. I think that's quite nice. And RT image is there, just drag and drop it here like that. After that click in this, from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, and image size let me make it full. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now come back here. Here I need a title, so just drag and drop the title here or heading here, whatever. So that will be the content. Come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it black color. Next let me click in the typography option. Font weight I am making it 500. Next line height also I think I have to increase. Yeah, that's looking nice. And another thing I forgot actually, I have to click in this, and here in the layout option actually vertical align I have to make it middle. Now I need a form also, so click in this and let me search for the fluent form. So just drag and drop the fluent form downside, and from here I am choosing this subscription form 2. Okay, as you can see it's coming perfectly. Now let me check the preview in the tablet devices. So for that here I have to click in this tablet. So as you can see in the tablet devices it's looking like that. I can do one thing for this portion actually, just click in this and here I have to make it 100 and scroll down. Even for this portion also I have to click in this one and I have to make it 100. Okay, Now as you can see, it's coming perfect. Even if you want to change this one also, you can do it. Like you have to click here and I have to make it 100, and for this one also I have to click and I have to make it 100, like that. Now after clicking the update option, so the designing of the home page is complete. Now actually I have to design the about page. So for that, actually first of all I have to come back to the dashboard. So let me click in the exit option. So now I have to create a new page for about us page. So hover on the page, and after that again I have to click in the add new option. Page title I am writing about, and in the template again let me choose elementor fluent, and after that I have to click in the publish option. My about us page should be look like that. So first of all I have to design this session. So again come back here. Here let me click in this elementor fluent. So first of all let me click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column, and click in this. The column with around 58 for the first column. Even here also I need the RT image. Click in this and let me search for the image. Drag and drop the RT image here, and the style I need the style too. Now here actually I need couple of images. So let me click in this. So from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Now click in the image 2. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Now click in the image 3, and suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media again. After that I need elements also. So click in the element 1, and from the media library suppose I am taking this. Click in the insert media. After that click in this, and here also I need another element. I think this one will be perfect. Click in the insert media, and the image size that should be full. Now as you can see there is no animation. I have to enable the animation. Come back here and I have to make it on. So in the next step actually I have to click in this, and here you can come back to the layout option. Vertical aligned I have to make it middle. So now actually here I need this text. So for that I have to click in the plus option. Let me search for the title. Okay. So here you can see this RT title text with button. Just drag and drop it here. So my title will be this one. So here actually at the place of the title I have to mention that. My subtitle will be this one. So here actually I have to mention that. Next, whatever the content you want, I have to mention at this place. Display button, yes, I want to display the button. And button text, that will be read mode by default. Even here also it's read mode only. If you want to change, then always we can do that. Suppose I'm writing view mode. So as you can see, once I change here, it's automatically changed here. And the button link, it's a dummy website. So here I'm giving a empty link, means hash sign. So after that actually I have to design this session. So for that come back here. So now let me click in the plus option. I'm taking single row and 2 column. Now I have to click in this edit option. Come back to the advanced option. Margin top I am taking around 80, and margin bottom I am taking around 40. Padding, unlock it. Top padding I am taking 40, and bottom padding also I am taking 40. After that I have to change the background color also a little bit. So come back here, click in this, and I am taking this light gray color background. So now I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the title. Drag and drop the RT title with text with button, and my title will be this one actually. Copy it, come back here. So at the place of the title I have to mention that does not require any subtitle, so removing it. After the content will be this one. Okay, copy it, come back here, and here actually I have to mention that. Next actually I need this progress bars. So again I have to click in this. Let me search for the progress bar. So here you can see the RT progress bar. Just drag and drop it downside like that. So the title, that will be development. Percentage, suppose I am taking 80. If you want to change the background color, progress bar height, always you can do that. But here everything I am keeping as it is. No need to change anything. After that let me duplicate it more couple of time. I think total 3 is enough. Now let me click in the second one. For the second one, the title will be success. Percentage, suppose I am taking 95, and now clicking the third one. For the third one my title will be finished project. Okay, and the percentage, suppose I am taking around 60. Okay, now here let me click in the plus option. Here actually as you can see in the demo I need this video session or video pop-up option. So here actually let me search for the RT video. Just drag and drop this RT video here. After that, whatever the video you want to link up, that URL you have to mention here. Next, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, and the element, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this element, click in the insert media, and the image size I have to make it full. So as you can see, it's coming like that. Okay, even here also I have to click in this, and here come back to the layout option, vertical aligned, I have to make it middle. Okay, it's coming perfectly. So after that actually I have to design this our team session. So now for designing this team session actually, first of all I have to create team member. So for that actually I have to come back to the dashboard, and here in the dashboard actually here you can observe team is there. Click on that. So now for creating the new team member I have to click in this add new option. So first of all in the top I have to write the team member name. After that I have to write the team member description, and after that here you can see the feature image. Click on that. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that scroll down. So here actually you can see all the team member position, email, website, etc. So let me fill them also. After that phone number also I have to give. Next I have to enter the address also, and after that here you can see the social media links. For that person actually whatever the social media link is available you have to enter here. It's a dummy website, so here only I am giving the empty link, means hash sign. Okay, next scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. Hope you understand the process. For adding another team member, again you have to click in this add new option. So again the process is quite similar. I have to write the team member name. After the description about the team member, click in the set feature image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, and after that I have to click in the set feature image, scroll down, and after that here actually I have to enter all the information. After that I have to enter the social media links for that person. Okay, now after that I have to click in the publish option. In similar manner let me add some more team member, and after that I will come back. So as you can see here I already create total 4 team member. So now let me come back here. So now again I have to click in this plus option. Let me take single row and single column. After that I have to click in this, and here actually let me search for the title again. So again let me drag and drop this RT session title here. After that my title will be actually here our team member, I mean this one. So here I have to mention it. After that my subtitle will be this one. Okay, so copy it, come back here and make it style 2, and here I have to mention that I does not require any subtitle, so let me remove that one. Okay, so now the alignment, that will be center aligned. It's perfect now. Next click in this 9 dot again, and let me search for the team. Okay, so here you can see the RT team. Just drag and drop it downside like that. From here total number of the item make it 4, because I have total 4 team member. Remaining here I am keeping as it is, no need to change anything. Mode button, show paging nation, that will be better. Even here I have to change something. Let me make it 4. After that for this one I think 2 will be perfect. For the tablet also 2. Yeah, it's perfect now. So as you can see it's coming perfectly. So designing of the about us page is also complete. Let me update it, and after that I have to check the responsive preview also. So let me click in the tablet. So you can see everything is coming perfectly. Just click in this, and I have to make it 100. Even for this one also click in this, and I have to make it 100. Okay, now as you can see everything is coming perfectly. No need to change anything. If you feel that you want to change this one, you can do here also the same thing. Click in this, and I have to make it 100. And for this one also click this and just make it 100. Okay, next let me check the mobile preview. So you can see in the mobile devices it's everything is coming perfectly. So now again update it. After that I have to come back to the dashboard, because now I have to create the contact us page. Click this and click in the exit option. So now for creating the contact us page, again I have to hover on the page, and after that I have to click in the add new option. Let me give the title of the page as contact us. After that in the template actually I have to choose elementor fluent. After that I have to click in the publish option, and once it published I have to click in this edit with elementor option. So my contact us page should be look like that. So first of all actually I have to design this session, and here you can see in the session actually there is a contact form. So for creating this contact form actually I have to come back to the dashboard, and after that actually I have to hover on the fluent form, and after that actually I have to click in this fluent form. So by default actually there is already a contact form will be there. I mean I am talking about this blank form. If you want to preview always you can do that. Click in this edit option to check the preview. So you can see it's coming like that. So here you can see there is a contact form demo. Let me click in the edit option to check the preview. So as you can see, my form is looking like that, what is quite similar to this form actually. Okay, so I'm keeping this form only. So now let me come back here. So here as you can see, there is 2 session. So here you can see there are 2 column in a single row. So I'm taking single row and 2 column. After that I have to change the column width for the first column. I mean, let me take it around 60%. So next I need a artist session title. Click in this and let me search for the title. So here you can see the artist session title. Just drag and drop it here like that. And from here I am choosing style 2. Okay. So my title will be this one. My subtitle will be this one. And my content will be this one. Okay. And after that I have to click in this plus option, and here actually I need the form. Let me search for the form, and here you can see the fluent form. Just drag and drop it here like that, and from here actually I am choosing this contact form demo 1. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me hide the label here. Okay, so after hiding the label, it's looking like that. And here actually as you can see, there is a heading also. So let me click in this. Let me search for the title again. So just drag and drop this artist session title above the form, and my title will be this one. Subtitle not required, so remove it. Next I have to do another thing also. Just click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. From all side, padding take around 40 pixel. Okay, I think 40 is more. Let me make it 20, and come back to the style option, and here as a background color let me choose light gray color. I think that looks quite good. And even for this title also, let me decrease the font size a little bit. I think 18 will be the perfect. And here actually I need couple of icon boxes, as you can see here. So for that let me click in this 9 dot. First of all drag and drop the inner section here. Click in this and let me search for the contact info. So here you can see the contact info. Just drag and drop it here like that. So for the first one it will be map, and here let me write my address. It does not require any title, so let me remove it. Okay, yeah, it's looking quite good now. Now just copy this one and paste it here. Here actually I have to change the icon, because here I'm going to write the email ID. So let me search for the envelope icon. Let me take this one, click in the insert, and here actually I have to mention my email ID. Next just right click here and duplicate it. Let me give some gap. Click in this advanced option. Top margin, I think 10 pixel will be enough. Now click in this third one, and here actually I need the phone icon. So suppose I am taking this icon. Click in the insert, and here actually I have to mention my phone number, that is +91. After that 7396403672. Okay, and now click in this one, and here actually let me search for the globe icon, because here actually I want to mention my website URL, that is webseotips.com. Okay, next I have to do one thing. Click in this, come back to the layout. Here you can see the vertical align, just make it middle. After that actually I need a Google map. So for that I have to click in this plus option. Let me take single row and single column. Click in this one, come back to the advanced option. Margin top and bottom I am taking 80 pixel. Now click in this plus option here, drag and drop the text editor here, and here actually let me open a new tab and let me search for the Google map. So that is the Google map, and from here actually you have to choose your exact location. It's a dummy website, so let me choose any random address. Suppose I am taking this one, and after that click in the share option. From here actually I have to click in this embed map option. Click in this copy HTML, come back here, and here I have to come back to the text mode. First of all select everything, remove everything, and after that paste the code. So your Google map already came here, as you can see. Okay, so in this way actually you can add the Google map. And if you want to change the Google map height and width, always you can do it from here. The width actually I highly recommended always make it 100%. Okay, and suppose I want the height should be 350 pixel, so here just make it 350. Okay, so you can see it's become narrower now. Hope you understand the concept. Now let me update it. After updating I have to check the responsive preview also. Click in this. So in the tablet as you can see it's coming like that. It's not looking good, so you can do one thing, just scroll up, and after that I have to click in this, and from here I have to make it 100. Even for this one also click in this, and here come back to the layout option and just make it 100. So now as you can see everything is coming perfectly. So now let me update it again. After that actually I have to design the header. So now for designing the header, first of all actually I have to create the menu. So for that actually I have to come back to the dashboard. From here I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. Let me give the menu name as main menu, and here I am choosing primary. After that I have to click in the create menu option. Now let me click in the view all. Now from here let me choose home. After that about, scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the shop page. Now after that contact us page. Let me click in the add to menu option. So now I need couple of post category also. So here you can see the category option, click on that. From here suppose I am choosing action category, animal category, after that lunch category, like that. You have to choose the main categories, okay? After that you have to add them in menu. So now actually I have to arrange them little bit, like contact us should be last. Okay, now it's looking quite good. So after that actually you have to click in the save menu option. Once done, you have to click in this customize option. So in the customization option actually first of all click in the general, and here actually you have to select the logo. Click in the select option. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the choose file, light logo, click in this, and in the light logo I have to choose the white color logo, I mean this one. Click in the choose file. Now scroll down a little bit. So mobile logo width, let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile I think I have to decrease the logo width little bit. Let me take around 100. Let's see how it's look in 100. I think it's very small, and let me make it 140 something. Yeah, it's really looking awesome. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview. Scroll down more. So here you can see the address label. So here actually you have to mention your office address. After that here actually you have to mention the phone number. After that in the email actually you have to mention the email ID. Remaining here I am keeping as it is, and here you can see the social media links. Here actually you have to enter the original links. It's a dummy project, so here I am giving the hash sign, okay? After that you have to click in the publish option. Once it published, you have to come back here. After that I have to click in the header option. So now I have to click in the header top. So by default, as you can see, there are several preset design is available. Suppose I am choosing the number 1 designing. So here you can see before it was in blue color, but now you can see it's totally gets changed now. If you want to keep as it is, you can always keep that. Suppose I want to keep that in blue color, so I'm choosing the second one. So as you can see now it's become blue in color. So according to your requirement you can choose it. After that here you can see the top bar date and top bar social. So if you want to display this top bar date, you can toggle that, and if you want to display the email ID here, you can enable that also. Suppose I want to display the top bar address also, so I'm enabling it. So once I enable it, you can see this location is also coming, but I think it's not required. Remove it. And from here you can change the background color also. By default it's blue. If you want to change in any color, always you can do it from here. And from here you can change the top bar text color also, but everything I'm keeping as it is here. After that main header. So as you can see there are different kind of header layout already present here, and by default as you can see my header is totally sticky header, okay? So it's totally up to you. If you want sticky header, you have to enable this, else you can disable that also. Header on off, yes, I have to enable that. Header background color, if you want to change the header background color, always you can do that. And as you can see there are different kind of header preset already available here. Suppose I'm choosing this one. So you can see after choosing that the header layout totally gets changed now. So it's totally your wish. Whatever the header layout you want, you can keep as it is, okay? But I think the first one is looking good for me, so I'm choosing the first one. Now here if you want to enable this search icon, as you can see there is a search icon, you have to enable this. If you want disable, you can always disable that. Similarly vertical menu, cart icon, user icon, whatever you want to enable or disable, you can toggle here, okay? Hope you understand. Now let me come back. Now header mobile. To better understand, let me switch back to the mobile preview. So as you can see it's coming like that. Suppose I don't want to display this top bar in the mobile preview, so I'm disabling it. Once you disable it, as you can see the top bar is not displaying here. I think it's really looking awesome. Let me keep it disabled only. After that I have to click in the publish option. So as you can see there are several options available. You can toggle them according to your requirement. So in this way you can design the header. Let me come back here. So after that actually I have to design the footer. I want my footer should be look like that. But before designing the footer, let me set the default home page. So in this customize option, actually here you can see the home page setting. Click on that, click in this, and from here I am choosing home page. And after that I have to click in the publish option. Okay. After that, let me update the fab icon also. As you can see, there is no fab icon present at present time. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option, and after that let me click in the script topping. So now you can see my fab icon also gets changed. Let me click in the publish option, and from here you can change the site title and tagline also. It's up to you. Now another thing, here you can see there is the breadcrumb is coming. In every page you can see this. Okay. If you want to disable that, so what you have to do, you have to click in the layout setting. From there you have to click in the page layout. Here you can see the banner. You have to disable this banner and breadcrumb both. Okay. So now you can see this breadcrumb and banner is not coming. Okay. Not only that, but also if you want to change the banner image or banner background color, always you can do it from here. But for my project the banner is not required, so I disable that. After that I have to click in the publish option. You can come back here. So now let me design the footer. For designing the footer, actually first of all I have to click in the footer option in the customize window, and here actually you have to choose the layout. So here actually I choose the second layout. So once you choose the second layout, you have to click in the publish option, and after that you have to come back to the dashboard. From there you have to hover on the appearance, and after that you have to click in the widget option. Now in this widget area actually, so here you can see the footer style 2, because I already choose the layout 2. So whatever you want to update in the footer, I have to make it in footer 2 only. So first of all I need a image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it here like that. Now click in the add image, and from the media library I am choosing this image. Click in the add to widget. After that I need the social icon. So here you can see the neon social widget. Just drag and drop it downside like that. First of all let me save it, and after that title I not required, so just remove it. So after that actually I need this text. Okay, so just copy it, come back here. In the description actually I have to mention that. Now whatever the social profile you have to mention the link here. Okay, hope you understand the concept. After that you have to click in the save option. Now in the second column actually, as you can see, here is the popular categories. So you can come back here. So here you can see neon categories. Click this, and from here I have to choose footer 2 and second one. Click in the add to widget. Now scroll down. So here you can see this neon category widget already come here. So here actually in the title I have to write popular category. Now if you want to specify particular category, then you can wrote the ID by separated by comma, but here I am not specifying any ID. I just want total 12 categories should be displayed here. So after that I have to click in the save option. Now scroll up. So now in the third column actually I want to display the post box. So for that let me scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the neon post display box. Click in this, and from here let me choose this one. I'm in footer style 2 and third column. Click in the add to widget, and here my title will be recent post. I think 2 will be enough. After that let me click in this and click in this. After that I have to click in the save changes. So now let me check my footer is coming or not. So for that let me click in the visit site option. So now let me scroll down. So as you can see my footer is coming perfectly. Again let me come back to the customize window. Let me click in the footer option, and here you can see some option is there: footer top, footer copyright, footer sticky. Only you can enable or disable them according to your requirement. And if you want to change the copyright text, so here just scroll down. Here you can see the copyright section is there. Whatever you want to write, you can always write it here. And another thing is there. So by default actually you can see total 3 column is there. If you want to increase the column number, always you can do it from here. Hope you understand how to customize the footer in the Neon theme. So now let me teach you how to change the sidebar for the blogs. Okay. So for that again I have to come back to the dashboard. Again I have to hover on the appearance, and after that again I have to click in the widget area. So here you can see the sidebar. Here actually I have to edit whatever I want to do. Suppose I want to add the recent post there. Okay. So click in this, and here you can see the sidebar. Let me click in the add to widget. So now the title, that will be latest post, and how many posts you want to display. Suppose I want to display total 5 posts. If you want to display the date, you have to enable that, and after that you have to click in the save option. Now let me come back here and refresh the page. So as you can see the latest post also coming here in the sidebar. So in this way you can easily customize the sidebar. Now let me teach about some more customization option available in the Neeon theme. Another most important thing actually, here you can see the progress bar. I highly recommended enable this one. So when you're reading some blog, in the top here you can see there is a progress bar. As you can see, it's really looking awesome, and by seeing that you can easily understand how much portion of the blog or how much percentage of the blog you already read. So I highly recommended enable that. If you want to customize, always you can do that. Suppose I want to add a gradient effect in the progress bar. Let me click in the publish option. So now if I come back here and refresh the page, now you can see in the progress bar actually there is a gradient color. It's really looking awesome, right? So in this way you can easily customize the progress bar also, and from here you can always change the height and the position also. Even if you want, you can keep it in bottom side also, it's up to you, but I think top will be better. Okay, similarly there is a dedicated advertisement section. If you want to advertise something, always you can add the banner here, and after that you can link up that also. Okay, there are lots of options is available in this theme actually. So if you're looking for creating a magazine or a blog site or a newspaper site, then I highly recommended this theme. Even if you come back to this blog setting actually, here also you can see there are lots of customization option. From here actually you can easily change the blog layout. If I open any particular category, as you can see my blogs are displaying like that. Suppose I want my blogs should be displayed in a grid preview, so just change here. So now you can see your blogs are coming in grid preview. There are tons of options available. Even from here you can easily change the blog content limit, and from here also you can decide what you want to display and what you don't want to display. Suppose I don't want to show the author name, I am disabling it. As you can see at present it's coming by admin, but after refreshing the page, here you can see author name are not displaying. So there are lots of customization options available, not only here but also in a single blog based layout also there are a lot of options available. Let me open the blog, so after that you can easily understand what I am going to talking about. As you can see at present my blog is displaying like that. If you want to change the layout, by just a single click you can easily change it. Suppose I am choosing the layout 3, you can see now the layout totally get changed, and from here you can decide what you want to display and what you don't want to display. Suppose I don't want to display this category, just disable it from here, and after refreshing the page, here you can see the categories are not displaying. Similarly for other thing also you can customize according to your need. This theme has all the important feature what a professional newspaper or a blogging website should have. I'm ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section, and if you have any WordPress related project, then please contact with me with this number or with this email ID. I think you really like this video. If you really like this video, please like and share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my channel. If you subscribe my channel, actually that motivates me a lot to create this kind of content. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.